In this video, we will show the best juicers available to buy. At number 10. Powermatic Portable Electric USB Juicer. This little body lightweight design is easy for you carry it to school, office, parks, camping, anywhere you want to. And it also convenient for charge by power bank, laptop, computer, car or other USB devices. At number 9. Floorware Modern Fruit and Vegetable Juicer. Its compact form makes it easy to store, pack and carry for outings and picnics. It is easy to store, pack and carry for outings and picnics, portable, manual and extremely easy to use and clean. At number 8. Philips Viva Collection 1.5-liter 500-watt juicer. This juicer allows you to use your own glass, max 12 centimeters height. Place it directly under the integrated tap and you are ready to juice. At number 7. Floorware Fruit and Vegetable Steel Handle Juicer. With an extra large metal feed tube and handle and a patented anti-drip system, you can serve fresh fruit and vegetable juices straight from the juicer. At number 6. Kuving's Professional Cold Press Whole Slow Juicer. This cold press juicer is capable of juicing fruits, vegetables, greens and also making nut milk out of almonds and other nuts. At number 5. Philips Viva Collection HR 1863 20ths 2-liter juicer. This Philips juicer extracts even more juice from your fruit and vegetables. Treat yourself with the joy of healthy homemade juice every day. At number 4. Sujata Powermatic Juicer Mixer Grinder. The most powerful 900 watts motor with double ball bearings for efficiency, low maintenance and trouble-free running for years. At number 3. Wonderchef Nutri-Blend Juicer Mixer Grinder. It make healthy and tasty juices, smoothies, shakes. Compact and consumes less space as compared to the bulky food processors and mixers. At number 2. Ganesh Fruit and Vegetable Steel Handle Juicer. It is a unique design that extracts maximum juice and a low amount of pulp. This juicer has a fully manual function that is built for efficiency and ease of use. At number 1. Prestige Iris Mixer Grinder. The grinder features an overload protection switch that cuts off power supply to the appliance to prevent the motor from overheating.